Welcome and welcome back. If you are new, you are welcome. And this channel we do skincare videos. It's been a whole long time since I did DIY, and that's because I figured out, I just thought people were not really interested in it, but I decided to do it again because honestly, if I come here and tell you that my skin is the way it is just because of the products I buy from the shop, then I'll be a big liar. So I just have to show you. If I've chosen to show you what I use, I need to show you everything. So I'm gonna be doing this face mask. Anybody who wants to watch it should watch it. Anybody who wants to learn should learn. If you're not interested in it, it's completely fine. Wait for the one you're interested in. But please, before we go to it, subscribe to this channel if you have not done that yet, and turn on your notification bell so you could be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Share it with your friends. Let the video go viral because this is an amazing mask I'm going to be showing you. I'll see you at the workstation. Yes, welcome to my bathroom. Yes, I'm in my bathroom. I'm doing this video in here because I couldn't find any better place to do it, so bear with me. So the very first ingredient we're going to be making use of will be our egg. This is an egg. Because this channel we're all about anti-aging, beautiful skin, so I'm going to be using this egg because this egg is going to help to clear wrinkles, give me a firmer face, help with fine lines and all whatnot. So what I'm going to be using for this egg, I'm just going to be using the white and not the yolk. So I'm going to crack this egg. Bear with me because I'm not very comfortable doing this here in the bathroom. I don't have enough space, but let me do it. So I'm bringing out the white and I'm going to show you when I bring out the white. I don't need too much, just because I'm making a mask that I'm going to use just once and that'll be it. So this is my egg white. In here, I have my egg white in here, you can see. This is my egg white, and the next ingredient I'm going to be adding will be my lemon. Or yeah, this is lemon, this is not lime, just that it's not very mature. This is lemon. I'm going to be adding just a teaspoon of lemon, and this is going to help with pimples. It's going to help with dark scars. You know, this contains a lot of vitamin C, so it's going to help clear dark scars. You can see my face. You see a lot of dark scars on my face because, excuse me, and I'm on some medication, and that's how it reacts. And of course, plus month end, so I'm going to be adding this lemon into it, just a teaspoon of lemon. You could choose to keep aside lemon if you're not struggling with dark scars, but if you have dark scars, you can go with lemon or you go with orange juice, fresh. So I'm just getting a teaspoon of this in here, just a teaspoon. This is it in here. This is a teaspoon of lemon. I'm going to be dropping it into my egg whites, and then the next thing I'm going to add, the next ingredient I'm going to be adding is going to be this. Now, normally lemon can dry out your skin because you want it to clear pimples, right? You want it to dry out your pimples. It can dry out your skin. So I'm adding this honey. This is honey, and this is fresh honey, like pure. I'm adding this honey so it can help restore moisture to my skin because honey is like a lubricant. It helps to moisturize the skin. It helps to also brighten the skin, and it helps to give you an amazing glow. Honey is packed full of antioxidants and antibacterial. Some you can use it on your face just like that. You can use it in face masks, especially if you are suffering from dry skin. Honey can be a very good nighttime mask for you, and just try it. Some people react to it, but I don't react to it, so that's why I'm going to be adding it into this mask. So I'm going to be adding just a bit because this honey is very thick, so just a little bit goes a long way. I'm not going to add up to one tap. Oh, this is actually too much. It's more than what I wanted, but you can go ahead and add as much as you want. This mask is going to be very light, very liquidy, because of the choice of ingredients that I'm making use of. The mask is going to be very liquid. So this is our honey. I'm adding it into my egg and what is it called? lemon juice. So this is it, and this is what I have. This is what I have. So I'll do this mask once in a week just because of lemon. If I have to do it more than once, I'll keep aside the lemon because my face is sensitive. And like I said, add honey, so honey can restore some moisture. The lemon helps to dry out the skin. All these acidic fruits that help to dry out the skin. So this is it. I have it ready, and I'm going to be applying on my face. My hands are very clean. I washed my hands before doing this, and my face is bare. I just washed my face, and I'm going to be applying this. I'm using my hands. Sorry, you can go ahead with a brush, but I always like using my hands for most of the stuff. So I'm going to apply it on my face. Now I'll advise you to do this mask at night if you know you'll be going out. If you are not going out, you can do it any time of the day. But if you're going out, because it contains lemon, and lemon doesn't work well with the sun, yes, if you go do this and go under the sun, you're going to provoke sunburn. You understand? Because it contains a lot of vitamin C. The lemon is acidic, so you don't want that. So make sure you baptize your face. Baptize your face with this mask, and then that is it. So I'll go off camera and I'll apply this mask as much as I can on my face, and then I'll wash my face and show you how my face. After applying the mask, sorry, I'm going to let it sit on my face for 15 to 20 minutes, not more than that. When the mask is dried up, and I'm going to wash my face and show you how my face looks. So guys, I've washed off my face. Can you see how my face is looking like? I've washed off the mask, and now my face feels softer. I think that's the instant feeling or effect that you get from this mask. You feel your face feels softer and feels moisturized because of the honey. And then with continuous use, it's going to help clear your scars, help with dry skin and all whatnot, kill the pimples or whatnot, all the bacteria in your face, the infections and all whatnot, because of the honey as well. So I hope you do enjoy this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, a very big thumbs up for that matter, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And if there are any things you want me to talk about, any video suggestions, leave it below and I'll be here to do it for you. I love you guys, and thank you for always supporting me. Bye bye.